And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Not much cool weather left in this forecast. Temperatures back up above 100 in the upper valley today, mainly over Starr County. It's 104 in Rio Grande City, but most areas in the upper 90s in Hidalgo County and upper 80s and lower 90s now in Cameron and Wolsey counties. Probably going to be just as hot tomorrow and Sunday. It's not anything really to get in here to change that. So we might have a little more of a breeze in the afternoon by Saturday and Sunday, but the winds right now only at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So there is a light breeze to cool you off, but not much of a breeze, and that may be true the next several days. I think the winds may get a little breezier later next week, but also temperatures will go up too, so can't win there. 75 in the morning tomorrow if you're up early, but mostly in the 90s during the midday and afternoon hours with sunshine around. You could argue the tiniest of chances that there might be one little shower somewhere in the valley briefly with the sea breeze, but the moisture content looks pretty low tomorrow, so it's really hard to get much out of those clouds. You can see it's dry across South Texas all day today. There wasn't any rain around. Off to the west, a couple of showers over the mountains of Mexico, but none of this is likely to make it off the mountain, so you might see a few wispy high clouds near sunset. So, always keep the cameras handy. Might be a nice, pretty colorful sunset here this evening. So when you're looking west, get a picture of the sunset, and then do this, turn around. Not all the way though, but turn around the other way and look to the west because the moon will be coming up in the eastern sky. So from west to east, you get the sunset and then the moonrise. Full moon tonight too, in case you're curious. So I've never done a 360 turn on TV before. It was first. Across Texas, dry weather around the state. There's a little weak upper level disturbance up to the north that's passing by that could create a couple showers or storms way up north this weekend, but probably too far away to do anything to our weather. So we see mainly some sunshine around, a few puffy clouds over the weekend, and again, the tiniest of chances that the sea breeze might spark a little tiny shower somewhere in the valley over the weekend, but it looks, super, super small chance. By next week, though, watch the moisture, which is trying to increase. It's mainly going up east of us, though, by Monday. So there could be some decent rain over Louisiana and Mississippi. We're probably too far west to get this, but it's possible maybe later Monday and Tuesday, the sea breeze, instead of sparking almost one shower, might kick off, 2 or 3 showers, mainly by Tuesday. So there is a little hope for rain, but not very much. If you are going toward the coast this weekend, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 there, light breezes from the southeast and a low risk of rip currents for Saturday and Sunday coming up. And if you're staying inland, it's going to be a bit hotter. Highs in the upper 90s Saturday and Sunday with mostly sunny skies around and maybe a light breeze in the afternoon on Sunday. So the first 7-day forecast, remember I said it's hot, might get hotter too next week. The overall, it looks like the heat will try to build in gradually again. So highs mostly in the upper 90s to near 100 over the weekend in the upper valley, a little cooler near the coast. But by next week, tack on a few more degrees as it stays mainly hot, breezy, and dry with the upper valley locations, especially over Hidalgo and Starr counties, could go over 100 degrees later next week. So we'll keep an eye on the heat ahead in your first 1-5 forecast. Dina?